leaked Muchinguri letter of army azvipere mushe panguva ine pari kuonekwa kunzi right now zvinhu hazvina kumira zvakanaka pakati aiwa pageneral vp costa nochiwenga nakuda kwashetagwirei pamusoro penorth succession panapa pane tsamba inonzi leaked letter aiwa yamuchinguri sana pena mashoko amudanyikwa panapa padobo subscribe like on the bell icon tipinda mudanyikwa muchinzi the national chairman of ZANU-PF comrade opa Muchinguri 22 June 2025. Dear Muchinguri RE, unprocedural co-option of Tagwirei into the Central Committee. I am writing to express my deep concern regarding the recent co-option of Kudakwashi Tagwirei into the Central Committee of ZANU-PF. Based on the party's constitution, it appears that this decision does not conform to the established rules and procedures. Specifically, the constitution outlines clear headlines for both membership and leadership positions. Tagwirei's elevation to the Central Committee, despite being only a cell member, does not meet the required criteria. According to the Constitution, waivers are typically granted to individuals who have previously held security positions in government or who are government employees. Failure to observe the party's own constitution as well as the constitution of Zimbabwe undermines the principles of accountability, transparency, and fairness. It also raises concerns about the party's commitment to upholding its rules and the broader rule of law. I urge the leadership of ZANU-PF to review this decision and ensure it aligns with the party's constitution. The people of Zimbabwe deserve leaders who are genuinely committed to the principles of democracy, accountability, and good governance. Anobanyora institutional structure muri kuona kanzi cell member 1 year before elevation, branch structure 2 years before election, district structure 3 years before elevation, DCC 4 years, provincial structure 5 years. Tagwirei no structure no membership. Tomashiko ari kuatulana nyaya yavo vachiti munozoona kuti muri kuvhaleta mutemo zvamuri kuita muchielevheta Tagwirei. Aiwa, mashoko ari kuda panguva ino atiri kuona this is the letter yanyorerwa vana comrade opa Muchinguri. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pana comment section medu mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.